Question number 90. The radii of a cone, hemisphere, and a cylinder are equal. Okay. If there is a cone, its radii, and there is a hemisphere, and there is a cylinder as well. So all of them are having the same radius. All of them are having the same radius. So R is same for three of them. And hemisphere will be like this. And cylinder will be like this. Now, so R, R, R. So R of cone, R of hemisphere, and R of cylinder are equal, and I'll take it as small r. If the total surface areas are also equal, then the ratio of the heights of the cylinder and the cone is okay. So here there is one more parameter which is also same, that is total surface area. Total surface area means you have to include every surface. So for cone I am calculating. For cone, if I take cone, at the bottom there is a circle, then I'll take it as pi r square. What is the surface area of circle? Circle surface area is so pi r square plus lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is this one. So this is pi r. And this is equal to hemisphere surface area is at the bottom it is pi r square, and the top portion is 2 pi r square. Circular portion is 2 pi r square. So in total it will become 3 pi r square. In total it will become 3 pi r square. And for cylinder is 2 pi r square, bottom and up top circle, plus 2 pi r into h. I'm taking the h of the cylinder as the height of the cylinder as h. 2 pi r into h. So this is nothing but the total surface area of the cylinder. So this one plus 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So now I need to equate three of them and then find out something useful which you can use it or any other thing. So now if I equate these two, 3 pi r square minus pi r square is 2 pi r square. So pi r l equals to pi r l is equals to, I'm equating these two. So then pi r l is equals to 2 pi r square, because one pi r square gets cancelled. So pi r gets cancelled, only one r will remain. So 2r is equal to L will get. So just keep it as like that. If 2r is equals to L, so this one is 2r. If that is 2r, how can you find the height? It's a rectangle triangle. So the hypotenuse squared minus the side square is equals to the height. Nothing but 4r square minus r square, then height of cone will become equal to under root of 4r square minus r square. So that is nothing but root 3r. So one we got. The same way, I'll equal these two, this one to this one. If I equate them, 3 power square is there and 2 power square is here. So if I subtract 2 power square from 3 power square, then 1 power square remain. Then I can equate 2 pi r h equals to pi r square. So 1 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r h. So from this pi r gets cancelled. Then r is equals to 2 h I'll get. So from this h is equal to r by 2. So this is the cylinder height and this is cone height. But what we need to find the ratio between then the ratio of the heights, the cylinder and the cone, cylinder and the cone. So cylinder I got it as r by 2, r by 2. And what about cone? Cone I'll get it as, I got it as root 3 r. So then r gets cancelled. Then what is the ratio? 1 is to root 3. 1 is to root 3 is nothing but for what to what? For cylinder to cone. What is he asking? Cylinder to cone only. So cylinder to cone is 1 is to root 3. So the option is 3. Next question, 91. If 5 times the present age of a boy, 5 times the present age of a boy is less than his age after 9 years. Suppose I'll take boy's age, B present age. 5 times his present age it will become 5B. Okay? If 5 times the present age of a boy is less than his age after 9 years, then the present age of that boy can be. So present age is B I am taking. 5 times his present age will become 5B. This 5B should become less what? Less than what? His age after 9 years. Now he is having 5 BH, of age. After 9 years, he will be having B plus 9, right? So B plus 9 should be greater than 5B. That's what. What is the age that satisfies this condition? So in place of B, what should I put? So that is the condition we need to satisfy to get the answer. So understand the question first. If 5 times the percentage of a pi, I am assuming percentage is B. 5 times its percentage is 5B. This 5B is lesser than his age after 9 years. Percentage is B, and after 9 years it will be B plus 9. So B plus 9 should become equal to, should be greater than 5B. That condition should be satisfied, or else 5B should be lesser than B plus 9. So any of these two you can say in any way. So now just I'll just observe this 4B should be less than 9. So B should be less than 9 by 4. 9 by 4 means 4 to the 9, 4 to the 8, 1 to 1 by 4. So whatever the option which is lesser than 2 1 by 4, 2 years, 1/4 of a year. So 2 means 3 months. Say कौन lesser, whichever the option which is lesser than 2 years. So only one option is there because this is 2 years half of the year, but we need to get only 1/4. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. This is not the answer. So 2 years वाला एक ही है, तो which is lesser than 2.5, 2.15, so 2.25. 2 1 by 4 nothing but 2.25. 2.25 is lesser than 2.5, right? So third option you can eliminate like that. Second option is the answer. So after this class, I'm going to start percentages, and that class will be very effective. You can learn all the concepts which are related to percentages. I'll cover all the concepts. I don't miss any of the model. The teaching will be like that. I'll start from basics and it will reach to advanced level, so that you can clear any of the competitive exams like SSCGL, all the SSC exams, SSC CHSL, SSC MTS, CAT, GATE. It can be useful for all the exams. So in that standard, I'm going to prepare. I'll spend a lot of valuable time on it, and I'll cover all the previous questions. I'll take all the previous questions and I'll solve them and I'll explain them in a detailed way. You don't have to see any other video apart from my video. So if you like, you can see, but you don't need to see because I'll cover everything here itself. I'll spend considerable amount of time and help you clear all the concepts so that you can apply them for any of the competitive exams. Okay, so I decided to do that and I'll do it no matter what happens. So whether even if it takes time, so you don't need to worry. Obviously, I'll make it complete. Okay, next question 92. The cost of sixpence and seven pencils is equal to 51. By paying two more rupees extra means 53 is paying. By paying 2 more rupees extra, he is just buying what? 7 pence and six pencils. Writing pencils as P and pens as P. Then the cost of 2 pence and two pencils is. Okay. See, there are two equations. If there are two equations, two variables, one variable is pen and one variable is pencil, you can easily solve it just by making them equal. So here there are 7 pencils, here there are 6 pencils. 7 into 6, 42. So I'll multiply this entire equations with 6 and this entire one with 7. Then what happens? What is the benefit I'll get? 6 into 7, 6 into 7 is 42. Again, 7 into 6 is 42, so that you can cancel them. So if you can't cancel them, so it will become like this. 36p plus 42 pencils is equals to 6, 306. 49p plus 42 pencils is equals to 371. See here, you can cancel them. So which is smaller? 36 smaller than 39. So 49 minus 36 is 13p. 13p. So this one is 65. 65. So p, from this I'll get p pen value as 13. Pen value as 13. Once you got pen value as 13, pen value as 13. How to find pencil? You know, 6p plus 7 pencils is equals to 51. We know. We got the pen value as 13. 13 6. How much? 13 to 6. 13 5 are 65, 78. Nice. So B is equals to Okay, so what we got? 5, sorry. The value of this is 5. 65 by 13 is 5. So 5 into 6, 30. So PE is equals to, this is already 51, 50 minus 30, 21, 21 by 7 is equals to 3. So pencils you got 3 and pens you got 5. So for buying 2 pens will cost 10 rupees. Okay. So it is 51, 30. So pencils equal to, you get 21 by 7 is equals to 3. So pen cost is 5 and pencil cost is 3. So to buy 2 pens, you will have to spend 10 rupees. 2 pencils, 6 rupees. So total 16 you need to spend. The answer is, so this is the answer. Okay. Next question. Number 93. So if alpha is the least positive integer and beta is the greatest negative integer satisfying the inequality 3x minus 5 greater than 7, then alpha plus beta value. See, for this type of modulus, we'll just remove that modulus and make it plus or minus 7. Okay. Then 3x minus 5 greater than plus 7, one condition will get. So x greater than 12 by 3, this is 4. And 3x minus 5 less than minus 7 is other condition. Then x less than 5 minus 7 divided by 3. It is nothing but minus 2 by 3. So x should be less than minus 2 by 3 means, so x, the least possible value of minus 2 by x, that which is lesser than minus 2 by 3 is minus 1. So 1 I got minus 1. And what is the least possible value of x which is greater than 4, that is 5, which immediately comes after 4, so 5. So one value is minus 1, other value is 5. So alpha plus beta is nothing but 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. The answer is fourth option. The next question, 94. 94, there are three equations given. If the integers alpha, beta and gamma satisfy the linear equations A, B, C, then 2 alpha, 3 beta and 4 gamma is asking. See, 94, question number 94. There are three equations. We have to solve them to get. So we have to solve these three equations to get the values of alpha, beta and gamma, and we should submit. See, we will use matrix method to solve this. Just write the coefficients: 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 9, 3, 2, 5, 14. So for this type of three variable equations, there is a shortcut method we can use actually. We have to make any one of them zero in a simplest possible way. So if I subtract one from this row, So 1 minus 1 will become 0. So this is R2, this is R1, this is R3. So I'll just subtract R1 from R2. So then 1 minus 1 will become 0 here, 2 minus 1 will become 1 here, 3 minus 1 will become 2 here, like that. 9 minus 2 will become 7. So then we'll be getting one possible way. So I'll make two operations here. R2 will become equal to R2 minus R1. Okay, R2 will become equal to R2 minus R1. Next, the same way, R3, I'll make it as R3 will become equals to R3 minus 2R1. I'll do these two operations. Then it will become easy. It will become easy. So now if I'll do R2 will become equal to R2 minus R1, then what happens? 1, 1, 1, 2, that won't change. So now 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7. Next, 3 minus 2 into 1 is 1 again. 2 minus 2 into 1, 0 again. 5 minus 2 into 1 is 3 here. 14 minus 2 into 2, 4. So 10 you will get here. Okay? What you will have to do? Just write the equations. X plus y plus a plus b plus c is equal to 2. Now a plus 2c is equal to 7. A plus 3c is equal to 10. Now if I subtract these two, then 1c is equal to 3 I'll get. And the same way, put c value here, any of these two. 2 into 3, 6. So a is equal to 1 you will get. So once you get 3 and 1 as a and c values, then b is equal to 2 minus 4. So b is equal to what? 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So now we got all the values. So once you got all the values, what is asking? 2 alpha, 3 beta, 4 gamma. 2 alpha, 3 beta, 4 gamma. It means 2 into 1, 2, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 4 into 3 is 14 minus 6, 8. 8 is the answer. Which option? Fourth option. Just the 3 variable equation you need to solve. That's it. Nothing else. For that, use this kind of operations. When there are 3 variables, you have to use the matrix method and converting them into 0. You can convert them into 0. It will become easy to solve any matrix form. If 3 variables are given, you have to follow matrix form. If 2 variables are given, you can multiply with some number and make x coefficient or y coefficient equal, then you can subtract it. That will help you to solve it. There are many ways to solve equations. Solving matrix, so this is the easiest way. A watch gains 20 seconds in every 6 minutes. It was set right at 6 a.m. in the afternoon. Okay, for every 20 seconds, it is gaining 20 seconds for every 6 minutes. So if it is 60 minutes, it will gain 200 seconds. Okay, if it is 60 minutes, 60 minutes means 1 hour. I'm just multiplying this with 10. So I'll have to multiply this also with 10. So that's what I did. So it was set right at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. in the morning at 6 o'clock, it was set correctly. In the afternoon of the same day, the watch shows 3 hours 30 minutes. So in the afternoon, watch is showing 3 hours 30 minutes. In the afternoon, so 3 hours 30 minutes, 3:30 p.m. it is showing. It is showing 330 means it is not actually 330 because it is lesser than 330 because it is gaining 200 seconds for every 1 hour. That's what you need to calculate actually here. Uh, okay. So from 6 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., how many? 9.5 hours it is going. So I'll take 9 hours. So if it is 9 hours, so 60 into 9 I'll do. Here also into 9 I'll do. 1800 seconds is gaining. So I just took 9 hours. So 540 minutes. For 540 minutes, when it is actually becoming 3 p.m., when it is actually becoming 3 p.m., it has already gained 1800 seconds extra. So 1800 seconds means divided by 60, how many minutes? 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes it is showing extra. It has gained 30 minutes extra. So when it is 3 p.m. actually, it is showing 3:30 p.m. What is the time? Actual time. It is 3 p.m. afternoon. Just assuming some number equal nearest number and then solving it. No formulas required, nothing required because you should not remember anything except formula, except standard formulas. So in class, there will be so many formulas. If you refer any textbook, you cannot remember all such formulas. Because nowadays, they are giving based on concepts. You must be thinking differently. Then only you will solve the problems. So a watch which gains uniformly is 10 minutes. So a watch which gains uniformly is 10 minutes. Slow when the correct time is 10 a.m. Okay, when it is 10 a.m., 10 minutes slow in a day. On the next day, it shows 10 minutes fast when the correct time is 1 hour 12, 1 o'clock 12 a.m. The next day. Okay. So 10 a.m. is in the morning. So night happened, the next day took place. So from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. it will be 12 hours. And 1 12 means 3 hours, 12 minutes extra you have to add. So 12 means 15 hours, 12 minutes. For 15 hours, 12 minutes. Again, it is showing the correct time. So the clock shows correct time at. But no, 10 minutes fast at this time, 10 minutes fast after. So after 15 hours, 12 minutes, 10 minutes fast. It means there is a difference of 20 minutes for this much duration of time. Okay, when it will show the correct time. So 15 hours, 12 minutes means, see, 15 hours of it is 7.5 hours. 7 hours, 30 minutes plus from this 6 minutes. 7 hours, 36 minutes. You just add it to 10 a.m. So if you add 2, it will become 12 noon, then 5:36 p.m. on the first day. Will show the just the logical thinking, nothing else. You don't have to use any formula also for this. Okay. Question number 97. At what time between 10 and 11 o'clock will the hands of clock in the same straight line but not in the coincident line? So this is the clock. 12, 9, 10, 11, 8, 7, 6, 4, and 5. So what is happening? At some point of time, after at some point of time, See, this is the case. At this point, they are in the straight line but not coinciding. Just after 10 o'clock, at what time they'll be in the straight line but not in the constant position. See, just looking at it, you can just guess the answer. So 10 crossed. At 10:15, they won't be in straight line. At 10:20, so at 10:20, see, when the hours needle is at 10 and minutes is at 20, they will be in straight line. But after 10, it won't be at 10. It will be cross a little bit. So at the same time, minutes should also cross a little bit. At that point, they will be in straight line. When minutes is crossing 4 means 20. 10:20 has already crossed. So when 10:20 has already crossed, these two cannot be the answer. So either this one or this one, true or false should be. So but here the question is 21 is same here and here. What about 9 by 11? Whether it is 9 by 11 or 7 by 11, we should identify. So further we will do one thing. See, at this area in between 10 and 11, in between 10 and 11, there is a place. At this place, some degree will be there, some angle will be there. So that angle should become equal to, in between 4 and 5, there is an angle. So when these two angles are become, they will be straight line like this. Okay. So this angle should be same. So the same theta should be there. So if I assume it as theta 1 and this as theta 2, they should be same. So that angle I'll find at what condition, at what time it will be there. So I'll do one thing, I'll check with the options. I'll go with 21 9 by 11. 21 9 by 11, what angle the hours needle will do and what angle the minutes will do. See, so it is 11 21 means 21 21 1 3 231 plus 9, 240 by 11 minutes. At 240 by 11 minutes, what hours needle will do? What angle? So generally, hours for every 60 minutes, it will do 30 degrees. For this many minutes, how much angle it will do? That we need to find. 240 by 11 divided by 60 into 30. 240 by, so 2 ones, 120 by 11, it will make 120 by 11 degrees. So this angle is theta 1 is 120 by 11 degrees. So theta should also become 120 by 11. If that matches, then that is the answer. Now I'll calculate for minutes. So minutes, for every 5 minutes, 5 minutes will make 30 degrees minutes wala. So in the same way, so it should be after 20 minutes, right? So it means for 1 minute 9 by 11 minutes, 9 by 11 minutes, how much degree it will do? Then you can do that. You can get the same as 120 by 11. That is the answer. 11 ones, so 20 by 11 minutes. For 20 by 11 minutes, what is the angle you have to find? I'll do here 20 by 11 divided by, for 5 minutes it is 30 degrees. Whatever you know, that should be coming at the bottom, and other corresponding value should come here. This is a shortcut actually. So 120 by 11. So it is matching. Again, it is also 120 by 11. So 120 by theta 1 and theta 2 are 120 by 11. So that is the answer. Options you can calculate. So there is a formula also. You don't have to remember that. Just understand the angle. Just imagine. The clocks will be done on imagination only most of the times. It's 98. Question number 98. If 10th April of an year is a Friday, then the date on which the second Saturday of May in that year falls is, okay, 10th April. 10th April is Friday. Now I'll do 10th, okay, the second Saturday of May that year falls is, okay. I'll do one thing. The next month itself he is asking. From 10th April to, so in April 30 days will be there. That is 20. 10th to April 30, there is 20 days. So for this 20 days, I'll add one first of May, first May I'm considering. So for 21 days, 21 by 7. So there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. So on first May, we'll get Friday only. So if on Friday, and first May it is Friday, second May it is Saturday. If second May is Saturday, add 7. 9th. So 9th May is second Saturday. Like that you have to calculate. So question number 99. Question number 99 is saying, see, there is a leap year. 2008 is leap year. Why? How can you conclude that 2008 is leap year? Because last two digits should be divided by 2. For 2, it is cancelling. So it is a leap year. So it is a leap year. So leap year means 29 days per Feb. He's saying 14th Feb, what is the day? He's asking. But 9th May is given as Friday. We don't know 14th Feb, I'll take it as X. Okay. So actually there are 29 days in leap year. So 29 minus 14, how much it is? 15. So 15 you have to take for February. For March there will be 31 days. If it is 31 days, you have to take 3. If it is 30 days, you have to take 2. So March is finished. Then April. For April it is 2. For May it is 3, but in the May month itself he has given the date. So 9th means 9 you have to take. So 9 you have to take. So you add all of them. 15 plus 3 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 9, 29. So 29 by 7, 28. What is the remainder? 1. Remainder is 1. So this remainder 1 I should add to x because I have taken the day on 14th Feb as x. So x plus 1 is equal to May 9th day. May 9th day is Friday. So Friday. So x is equal to Friday minus 1. So it is Thursday. Thursday means option 1. Next, question number 100. In a sequence of 12 consecutive. So if you have any queries for the question number 99, just comment it. I'll explain in detail also. Because thinking that you should know, see, anyway, I have cleared it here itself, even if you don't know anything about the formula and all. Still have any confusion, then you comment. I'll explain it again in a detailed way. So in a sequence of 12 consecutive odd numbers, the sum of the first 5 numbers